Good morning everybody. Two videos today. This one's something nice and simple. Something I haven't had for about 30 years, I think, maybe longer. Let me show you what it is. Crispy pancakes. Oh yes. Now they used to be fingers, didn't they? Obviously the bird's eye now. And the ingredients have changed a little bit. But I haven't had them for absolutely years. So I thought, I've seen them up Tesco, £2.25 I think. I think they used to be like £1, didn't they? So yeah, I thought, well, I'll try some today as a little taster. Why not? So you want to have a look at the ingredients. There it is. 139 for one is that? Where are we? There it is. I'm going to do them in the air fryer, if you can see that, because the light's shining. Preheat the air fryer 200 degrees for 3.5 minutes. 2 pancakes, turn halfway through. Cook for 8 to 10. Okay. Nutrition, wherever it is. You can find it, there it is. Have yourself a look if you can. The light's shining. Yeah. Crispy pancakes. Very popular, weren't they, in the 70s and 80s, I think. Says they're a lot bigger, but they look about the same size to me, but I can't remember back then nowadays, but looks similar, but obviously a bit different. So, let's get the air fryer on. Air fryer's warmed up. Right, let's get a couple in. Today's only going to be a 5-minute video, this, guys. Oh, can't even see that, can you? Look, there we go, move it back a bit. There we go. Eight to 10 minutes, turn halfway through. Well guys, they're done. I'm just letting them cool down a minute. I was just reading about these, actually, to be fair. And it says, the beef flavour's been axed, but it will be back soon. Well, it's back now. You still get 4 in a pack, but the new upgrade concrete stuffing pancakes are 20% bigger and have 45% more filling, according to Bird's Eye. The old style, still in as now, this was in 2020, were £1 for 220 gram. But the Bird's Eye says the new version, which is these, which is in 2020, will be 175, so 75 pence more, for 266 gram. So for a little bit more gram, what was it, about 50 gram or something, 46 gram, you're paying extra 75p. That was in 2020. Paying for the name, obviously, ain't your Bird's Eye. And it also says the new version contains more fat with up to 12 grams in one pancake compared to 2.8 grams in 2 old pancakes, the Findus ones. The new version does contain less sugar with 2.3 grams in one pancake compared to 7.2 in 2 old pancakes. One of the only things that hasn't changed is still cooked from frozen. Yeah. Anything else? Honeycomb, breadcrumbs. What I have noticed with them though is, if I can remember correctly, they used to be really crispy, but these ones, they're not very crispy in the middle. Obviously that's because of the more filling, and I had to stop, couldn't keep doing it. I'm crispy around the edges because they were starting to leak. Now the other ones I remember being really crispy, didn't they? But anyway, that's what it is. So they went up because of the name change, basically, for 40 gram more, whatever it was. So let's have a crack. Good luck. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Not quite like I remember, but it's still nice. Maybe it might crisp up more in the oven, but it's 8 to do them in the air fryer, so that's what I did. Yeah, the outside's all crispy. Memories, it does bring back memories actually. Reminds me of being a little bit tastier than that. Let me have a look at that again. It does remind me of being a little more tastier. I'm sure it said somewhere that, yeah, maybe contains less sugar, so maybe it's the sugar that's a bit, it's that extra bit of sweetness. But now it's recommended you just eat one of these pancakes instead of two. You know what I mean? You want two? Have two. Okay. Right then. I'm going to go and eat the other one. Would I buy them again? I don't think I would for that price. £4, £2.25 I think, for 4. If there was a pound I would. I don't know what they are in any other shops. I say I got them from Tesco. Paying for the name, as usual. Aldi, make some of them. Own brand for £1. Yeah, as I say, I'm the old food guy, short one guys. I just thought I'd try them. They are nice. Don't exactly resemble when I used to have them, but that might be because of the sugar content. All the healthy stuff now in it. Never mind. See you later. Be another video later on tonight. About 7 o'clock I suppose it'll go up. So see you later everyone. Bye bye.